Hello, everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Cathy, part of Holy Cross Health Diabetes Prevention Program. Today is fun with fruit. So I'm going to be making a pistachio and peach toast, and delicious. And also I'll talk about how to make a chia seed pudding. We'll talk about that, and also a parfait with the chia seed pudding. So I have here for the toast, I have a nice whole grain bread of your choice. It could be gluten-free, whatever works for you. I'm gonna layer ricotta cheese, just a little bit, a tablespoon. We'll add some honey, some cinnamon, top it off with peach slices and some chopped pistachio nuts. I'm going to add to it's past-skim ricotta cheese, a tablespoon. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of the honey. I'll save some of the honey, actually a quarter teaspoon. I'll save some of the honey to drizzle on at the end. So we'll mix in the honey to the ricotta, a little dash of cinnamon. It's like 1/8 of a teaspoon, but you can make it according to your taste. I'll just stir that up. Super easy, nice breakfast, brunch treat, snack. And I'll put that on the toast. My family, it's a family favorite. They really like this. All right, it calls for medium peach. This is quite a large peach. A lot of our fruit is enormous in the stores, so I'm going to use actually a quarter. We'll just make some nice thin slices. You can chop it up if you'd like. Add that to toast. I will show it to you. Looks pretty. Chopped up pistachios. I like to get mine. Always give a plug to Trader Joe's. They need to start providing me with supplies. The pistachios at Trader Joe's are a really good price. And at the end, I will drizzle on the last of the honey. If you're really trying to watch your sugar, this tastes fine without the honey. It's really good because the peaches are so sweet. Look how pretty that looks. Delicious. All right. Chia seed pudding is tricky. So I set up a batch last night with almond milk, and it was too runny. The recipe calls for half a cup of milk, milk of your choice, and 2 tablespoons of the seeds, but it was too runny. I'm actually going to stir this up. I made this emergency batch this morning. It's a bit thicker, so I used an oat milk, so it's a bit thicker. So you're gonna have to play with the ratio of milk to seeds. Now, if you're not convinced that it's gonna work for you, a little hack that works really well. This is a coconut milk yogurt, and it's nice and thick. So if you want nice and thick, just go ahead and use a yogurt. You can even add some of the milk to the yogurt. So for this recipe, it's the chia seeds, the milk, a little bit, like 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Again, you can cut that if you're watching your sugar. And there's also a little vanilla extract in it or almond extract. And then blueberries, so we're gonna layer it. And at the end, we add the blueberries and slivered almonds. All right, so we'll layer in a nice fancy glass. So about half the pudding, half the blueberries, half a cup total. I'll add some more. Let me come over here so you guys can see a bit better. I'll add some more pudding. Want to top it off with a little bit of granola, you can do that. This is very versatile, so you can put any flavoring you like. Be creative, experiment with it. I add the blueberries at the end. And then I divided a tablespoon of slivered almonds, so you can layer that on the bottom and or the top. Have it, your chia seed pudding, nice protein because of the chia seeds and the almonds. You have your fruit. Again, breakfast, dessert, snack, very versatile. All right, I'll take your questions.